Alrighty, y'all. Now that I've got my Fritos onto my Habibichi here, I just used about 5 pounds of cooked ground beef, just a 30% kind, but I did drain it real well. Then I used 2 cans of medium enchilada sauce. I like the red, but you could use green if you like. I put a little nacho cheese, and now we're just coming in with our Hormel. I got the kind with beans, but you can use no beans if you prefer. And I am just putting some scoops of this all throughout our concoction here. Love this chili, so yummy. Can't go wrong with these delicious ingredients. Alrighty, I'm coming in with some cheddar jack cheese. Now this is looking so good to me, y'all, but if you wanted to get some extra protein in here, I would recommend cutting up some hot dogs in here or some little smokies just to add that extra kick of protein and goodness for you and your guests. But this is such a fun, delicious, easy treat that everyone loves. It's a classic, can't go wrong. You better not mess with it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Alrighty, just one more thing to put on here, my paste picani. Ooh, yes. Oh, I'm using the medium, but if you're mild and you can't handle the heat, you don't have to stay out of the kitchen. You can just use some mild, or if you're real brave, even braver than me, you could use some hot. But I feel like medium is a good ground to meet in the middle for your friends, your guests. Not everyone can handle it, but that's just a little, can't please them all, you know? That's what they say. Alrighty, I'm just closing the lid on my Habibichi here. We're gonna let this heat up just for about 7 minutes. Alrighty, everybody, look at this deliciousness. Oh my God. I'm gonna put a little fresh green onion right on top here. Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at these big old green onions. Those are the biggest ones I've ever seen. Normally the ones I personally see are a lot smaller. All right, wow, this smells incredible. Y'all ever heard that Fritos smell like puppy paws? Because they do. All right, here I go. I'm getting in here. Yum! Look at this, y'all. Very big Fritos pie, walking taco. Don't mess with Texas. Y'all know what I am talking about. Yum! I got a fork here. Look at this. Perfect. And this is just like if you were to make it in an individual Frito bag, except I got it on a plate. And it serves a lot of people. All right. This is delicious, y'all. You gotta try it.